What's standing next to capsule filler NJP 3800D is the automatic capsule filling machine NJP 3800D. This machine's distinctive feature is its maximum output reaching 228,000 capsules per hour. It can fill powders, granules, and pellets into empty capsules, with capsule sizes ranging from size 000 to size 5. The qualification rate of finished product reaches 99.8%, an ideal option for mass production of pharmaceutical and nutraceutical capsules. The full automation enables this machine to automatically complete the whole capsule filling process, including capsule dispensing and separation, capsule filling, unqualified capsule rejection, capsule locking, and finished capsule output. Stable running is paramount to guarantee stability, unlike older models using external cams. Our company, together with German Bosch and Italian IMA, use internal cams. Built-in cams increase bending stiffness by 4 times and reduces vibration amplitude by 60%. Experiments show internal cams confine filling rod trajectory deviation within 5 micrometers, ensuring capsule fill depth variation lower than 3%. But external cams may cause fill depth variation higher than 8% for arc motion. Next, this machine uses a German-engineered cow-size optical dividing head. The division per station reaches 180 ds, 3 times that of a basic model, delivering top-tier capsule filling weight precision and large-scale output. Built for stability, this machine's turntable incorporates PTFE oil-free bearings, achieving a friction coefficient over 50% lower than oiled metal bearings. It eliminates stick slip effect during machine start-stop cycles, ensuring positioning accuracy within 0.01 millimeters at all processing stations. Modular design, easy operation. Filling rod holders feature a quick-release slot design. You can easily replace filling rods within 15 minutes. For easy use, our machine can be connected to an empty capsule loader and a vacuum powder loader, automatically feeding empty capsules and powder without manual intervention. At the rear end, the machine can be connected to a capsule polisher to guarantee no powder residue on each capsule. Next, equipped with pneumatic feeding system, you can have better filling performance for ingredients with poor flowability. Easy use of the machine comes with the intelligent lubrication system. One-time grease injection into the built-in cams brings about continuous lubrication. You just need to grease the shaft 1 time per week. Easy cleaning is significant to cGMP compliance. First, SIL silicone rubber sealing rings. Ensure excellent sealing with no powder ingress to the turntable. Second, positive air blowing maintains higher air pressure inside the turntable than the external environment, thereby eliminating dust ingress. You just need to vacuum and wipe down with a cloth to keep the turntable clean. Last but not least, this machine features a large platform, blind angle-free design, easy for cleaning. We provide 1-year free part replacement and 3-year warranty. This capsule filling machine has been granted 3 national utility model patents and sold to over 10 countries. If you are interested in this machine, feel free to contact us.